Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to use Canva to create a journal notebook that is absolutely perfect for Amazon KDP. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so you can receive more helpful Canva tutorials on time. So, let's get started. Go to Amazon KDP cover calculator site, and to find out the exact dimensions of your cover, use the calculator. Now select binding type option and click on paperback, then select interior type and click black and white, select paper type and click white paper, select reading direction and click left to right. After that, select measurement units and click inches. Select interior trim size and click 6 by 9 inch. In page count option, add pages according to your choice. Add as many pages as you want for your book. I am adding 120 pages. Now click on Calculate Dimensions. Here you will get the size of your book cover. 12.52 is the width and 9.25 is the height. Now from here you can download the template as PDF or PNG. After this, open Canva, go to Custom Size and select Inches. Now select 12.52 for width and 9.25 for height. After that, click on Create New Design. A blank canvas will open in front of you, which is perfect for a journal notebook. Now we start designing. Go to the Elements tab and type Floral Daisies background. After this, go to the Graphics section. From here, you can choose any background for your book cover. You will find different backgrounds here. I have chosen this background for my notebook cover. Now set this image as a background. After this, go to Uploads and upload the template that you downloaded from the KDP cover calculator and saved on your desktop. Now select it and adjust it to fit the full canvas. After that, reduce the transparency. Now go to the Elements tab and type Book, then click on Graphics and download any image from there. I have selected this image. Now we need to adjust it here. The image should be adjusted inside the pink colored border and placed above the barcode. After that, go to the Text tab and add a heading. You can add any text you like. Then adjust it and set the alignment properly. Make sure the text stays inside the pink border. After this, go to Canvas Sans and choose any font style. I am choosing Times New Roman here. After that, go to the Elements tab and then open Shapes. Select a square from there. Now adjust it on the center pink border of the cover template. Next, go to Position and delete the cover template image. After that, click on Share and then click Download. Your book cover is now ready. After this, we will create journal notebook pages. For this, we need to add the size again. First, select inches, then set the width to 6.125 inches and the height to 9.25 inches. After that, click on Create New Design. The canvas will open. Now, add the rulers on all 4 sides. In my case, they were already enabled. If they are not visible, go to File, then click on Settings, and select Show Rulers and Guides. Once you do this, the rulers will appear. After that, go to the Elements tab and open the Line option. Select a line and adjust it. Reduce the stroke weight, then duplicate the line multiple times. After this, go to the Elements tab again and type Bumblebee. Then open the Graphics section and choose any image from there. I have selected this image. Now flip the image horizontally and adjust its position. After that, reduce its transparency. Then, from the same section, add the remaining images. Next, click on the 3 dots and duplicate the page. Create multiple duplicate pages. I have created 120 pages. Now this is the final result. After that, go to Share and click on Download. Then select PDF Print and click Download again. your journal notebook pages will be downloaded in PDF format. Keep the maximum number of journal notebook pages to 120. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.